to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be doing this dramatic Flexi Rod tutorial. I literally have not done this in like 2-3 years. I don't know. Anyway, go ahead, thumbs up, subscribe. I do a ton of natural hair care videos, but yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it so you guys can see how I got this using one natural ingredient, shea butter.
Begin with blown out hair. I used a blow dryer on medium heat to blow my hair out, then I put it in twists to give it a break. Begin with loose hair and grab your flexi rods. Put the hair up that you're not using, then grab a spray bottle filled with water to lightly mist your hair and add moisture. Because we'll be adding a sealant, adding moisture is key. Add a lightweight moisturizer to your hair, then gently detangle if needed. I normally don't use combs, but because this style's goal is a smoother curl, I find combs to be pretty helpful. The one necessary ingredient you'll need is shea butter. Shea butter has many amazing benefits for the hair, including protection from the sun's UVB rays, vitamin E, and anti-inflammatory benefits. I'm lazy, so I heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and once it's melted, it should look like this, and any small chunks can be smashed out. Re-wet your hair with water if needed, then smooth on the melted shea butter. Next, take a flexi rod and roll your slightly damp hair up in it. Bend each end of the rod at 45-degree angles or less, and the rod should stay in place. Work with section sizes best for you and repeat the process. Okay, so let me give you a few pointers. If you want a fuller look, use smaller sections and also try to estimate how many sections you'll need for the amount of flexi rods you have. I ran into some trouble at the front because I ran out of rods. My sections got a bit too large for the look I wanted, and I kind of paid for it after the takedown. You'll see. I personally like to put imperfect results out because I believe many of you can learn just as well from the mistakes. Lord, soon my arms won't be able to reach the ends of my hair. And that's kind of exciting to me. So this is where I noticed that I had 6 left and I had to make it work. Now notice my parting isn't straight. I wanted the hair to fall naturally without any rigid parts. Look at how much shine shea butter gives. And it also feels really nice on my hairline. All done. That's a decent amount of flexi rods. So do your best to fully cover your hair before you sleep. My bonnet did not fit and I had to use 2 headscarves to get the job done. When you're done, just let your hair dry overnight.
Welcome back. I kind of wanted to cut in and actually directly talk to the camera while I took my hair down, mainly because I like hanging out with you guys. So I did 2 scarves because obviously my bonnet did not fit at all. I'm slightly nervous because my roots are a little bit damp because I did do a workout this morning and I'm so proud of myself. I kept my curl formers or my flexi rods in Anyway, let me see if this will work. Does this work? Ooh. Ooh, these are real greasy. Ooh, my hair is still wet. Low porosity hair. It's like wet all the way down. Okay, so that changes things. I'm gonna have to put these Flexi Rods back in, and I might have to go another night or run a blow dryer through it. How disappointing. Oh. Normally, I would do this on completely dry hair, but I've been really working on maintaining moisture in my hair, so I really wanted to make sure that I could moisturize it. Since blow drying it does make it dry, it had been a couple days since I blow dried, and so, you know. So I'm gonna hold this for another day, and, you know, hopefully it dries. I'll probably end up running a blow dryer over it just to speed up the process. I'm back. It is the next day, and, you know, it better be good this time because I literally have to take it down. I have no choice. I got things to do, and I cannot do them with Flexi Rods in my head. I'm actually really nervous about the front ones because I took larger sections than I normally would. What is in my hair? Oh, it's just product. I ran out of Flexi Rods, and so, ooh. And you see where all that shine is? Yeah, I could see that the shea butter got solid as it cooled, which is why it's giving us the hold. I'm sure people have melted shea butter and used it in this way before. I just haven't seen anyone online do it. Okay, Zoe, she's coming through. Are you a Zoe? Are you a Zoe? So now I'm just gonna separate. See, this is one of those accessory styles where you add an accessory. I think this is cute. Let me see. I'm looking in the mirror right here. I'm trying not to separate it to the point where it's like, okay, why did you even do the Flexi Rod? I feel like this is the one that's messing it up for everybody. Like, it's just like, bloop, bloop. This makes me think of like a period hairstyle, you know, like those old costumes where you wear the corsets. Kind of feels like that to me. My edges are always fine, and I'm trying to grow them back. I get annoyed because I sometimes feel like they're thickening up, and then sometimes I feel like they're thinning out, and I can see more shedding. So I'm not sure if that has to do with my hormones or what's going on with my edges, but I'm gonna continue to work on them, which is why I'm not putting any gel in them, and I'm trying to limit the amount that I brush them. I don't know if you guys know, but alopecia does run in my family, so I'm always hyper aware that, you know, that's a possibility for me. Also, I have it's just less dense. I just have less hairs in general. Like, there's just a strip of just like high density, then all of a sudden low density. Like, it's just, you know. Zoe, I need you to work. I feel like I'm okay with this. It's a little girlish to me. I would take a little bit of volume from the top. However, I'm also just like not that mad at it. Like, this is, well, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? Is it too young? So that is it for this hairstyle. I'm probably gonna play with it just a little bit more. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Shea butter has so many benefits for the skin and also on your hair. It actually has a natural SPF of 15, so it's kind of cool in that sense. But I personally like to use it when I need some hold and I want to use a natural product. Anyway, if you like this, I have a playlist full of a bunch of other videos. Go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, all of that. And I'm also gonna put another playlist down here that just has pretty much all of my videos if you're new. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in a few days. Mwah.